Okay, today I'm going to show you how to remove the needles from the PR injectors and how to clean them. First, you want to remove the cover from the machine to gain access to the needles. The next step is you're going to use I should tell you the tools that you're going to need is a pointy vice grip and a number 14 wrench and a stainless steel wire that's thick enough to get inside the needle. And you're also going to need an air hose with this type of attachment. Alright, so first step is we're going to use the pointy needles and we're going to place it in the middle of the spring. Do not actually attach a spring, so you're going to push up and squeeze it tightly to hold the spring. So it holds it from there. Then you're going to grab the number 14 wrench and you're going to hold both and then turn it clockwise. And you're going to bring it downwards and you remove it. Simple like that. You're going to grab the stainless steel wire and you're going to in and out of the holes as well. Once that's done, you're going to grab the air hose. You're going to stick it in, covering the holes, and you blow out any debris, anything that's in there. And that's how you clean the needles. Putting the needles back on. This is how we do it. Putting it back on. Simply twist back up into position. Give it a little tight squeeze and remove the pointy wrench. And you're all set.